frustration. That is what many Mac users are faced with when trying to take a screenshot on their Mac device. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Mac the best way right now. So this is going to be the ultimate way to take a screenshot on your Mac device. You're going to be able to do this no matter what type of Mac you're using. And you don't have to remember a crazy combination of keys on your keyboard in order to take this screenshot. Why are your fingers having to do backflips in order to take a screenshot? Come on, man. Nah, we ain't doing that right now. So let's run you through the old method first before I give you the ultimate way of taking a screenshot on your Mac device. The easy way, the best way, my way. So the first way, the old crappy rubbish way of taking a screenshot on your Mac device is to press 3 keys at the same time. Command, Shift, and the number 4. Now there's quite a few issues with this. 1. When you're stretching your fingers across your keyboard, literally doing some finger gymnastics in an unnatural way because your fingers aren't designed to stretch like that over your keyboard, you might be hitting the wrong keys. So on every Mac, you might have a different combination of keys that you need to press. There are multiple reasons why this might be the case. Somebody please tell me who these billionaires are paying to do their jobs at these big tech firms that build these devices, because that old method is like, it's bad, bro. Come on. We're in 2025 right now. Come on. So you might be in a different country, meaning you have to press a different combination of keys. It might be Command, Shift, and 3. This is all very confusing. This is the old way of doing it, and it's archaic compared to the method that I'm going to show you. I must be Steve Jobs, because I swear, people ain't got the common sense and knowledge to be able to implement something very simple for a screenshot. Oh, I'll be coming with the uppercuts in this video. You're gonna get some knowledge here. I'm gonna teach you something new here, baby. If you've got a problem with any part of your keyboard, using that old method really isn't gonna work for you. For example, on my Mac, I have the butterfly keyboard effect, so I can't press numbers. So the ultimate way of taking a screenshot on your Mac, my way of taking a screenshot on your Mac, is going to work on every Mac device. I'm going to solve this frustration for you with this video. I'm going to walk you through the entire thing. You'll be able to do this no matter where you are in the world, no matter what your keybinds are or your keyboard settings, no matter what level of tech you are used to using, you are going to be able to do this. Let's go. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's show you how to take a screenshot on your Mac device, the ultimate easy way that works for everybody. Ready? Launch. Let's show you how it's done. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here's the first step. As you can see, we have my MacBook right in front of me. Now, there is a software open, and if you have an eagle eye, you might be able to see which software is open. That's what we're going to use. Every Mac has this software, and we're going to use it to take a screenshot. But first, let's set up what we're going to take a screenshot of. You can see my desktop. I'm going to open up a web page. It's going to be on my YouTube channel. Let's do that right now. Yo, baby. So as you can see, I now have my YouTube channel up, ready and waiting for my screenshot. That's what I'm going to take a screenshot of. I'll also take a screenshot of my desktop without Google Chrome open, just to give you an idea of 2 different types of screenshots that we're going to take with this software. Now, let's open up the software. The software I want you to open to take your screenshot is QuickTime. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find QuickTime through Launchpad. Right on the toolbar down here, you can see Launchpad. Select it. Now in Launchpad, you can search for QuickTime. Let's search for QuickTime. As you can see, QuickTime is right there, ready and waiting for me to open that software. Let's open up QuickTime right now to begin the process of taking the screenshot. Every Mac device will have QuickTime available. QuickTime Player is what you're looking for. Let's open this up. So when you open So when you open up QuickTime for the first time, what it's going to do is it's going to present you with a destination. Right now it's giving me my downloads and it wants to try to play one of the files from my download in the QuickTime player. Don't do this. What you want to do is you want to select cancel. Let's select cancel. Watch what happens next. Cool. I'm also going to close a few tabs here for privacy. Now let's say you've just clicked off the QuickTime player. The thing is, you need to get back to that. So in the toolbar below, you can see the QuickTime player. I'm going to select that right now, just so we're inside of the software, because it is running in the background. Boom, baby. So it's gone back to where we was before. We're going to close that out, and then we're going to select File from the toolbar up above. So let's press cancel, then File. Cool. There's quite a few things that we can do here. You can see that we can start a new movie recording, a new audio recording, or a new screen recording. Select New Screen Recording. Follow along and we'll take a screenshot. So right now, select New Screen Recording from the file destination. And then we're going to be presented with this toolbar down below. If you look close enough, you can see this toolbar. There are quite a few things available. Capture entire screen, capture selected window, capture selected portion, and then there are two types of captures. You have record entire screen or record selected portion. Right here on the right you have the options. Here in the options there's a few things that you can do, but we're not going to pay attention to a lot of that. We're going to take a screenshot. The important part that you need to pay attention to here is where your screenshot is going. So at the top of the options menu, while inside of this part of QuickTime, we want to select our destination. In this case, I'm going to select desktop. Cool. So now we have exactly where our screenshot is going to go. Now it's time to take the screenshots. So in this case, I'm going to select capture entire screen. Then I'm going to select the screen. As you can see, it's just taking a screenshot of the screen. I was taking a screenshot and not recording a video. Let's show you how this is done again before we look at the file. So what we're going to do is we're going to close the browser for the second screenshot. Let's go. So first things first, let's close the browser or minimize it in this case. So let's show you our second screenshot using this method. So right now we're going to open up QuickTime, then we're going to go to File, then we're going to go to Screen Recording. After Screen Recording, we're going to select where our file is going to be saved to so we can find it afterwards. Then, once we've done that in the options of QuickTime, we then take our screenshot. Let's walk you through it yet again. So right here, we got to QuickTime, we got to File. Close out this little thing because it's just trying to play one of the files. We don't need that right now. Right here in File, Screen Recording. Then we go to options to save our destination of where our file is going to go so we can find it afterwards. I'm going to select the desktop. Then from here, we're going to select the type of screenshot we're going to take. In this case, I'm going to do the entire screen, but you can do selected windows and a portion. Then, right now, we can capture our screenshot straight away. It's just taking our screenshot straight away, and that will be saved to the desktop in just a moment. You can see our first screenshot right here. And it's also called screenshots. And right here you can see screenshots, and this is the screenshot of our desktop also being taken. And this is how you can take a screenshot on your Mac right now without all of the hassle of trying to stretch your fingers over the keyboard. It's going to be nice and easy, and you can do it on any Mac right now. Yeah, baby.